Alright, gonna do a quick update on the Hilux. Just picked up a new hood for it from this dude. Has a shop called PJ's Garage in Thailand. You can find him on the Facebook pages at the RN10 to 25 page, and then the RN28 78 Hilux page. He's always selling all kinds of parts. Seems to have a decent stock, and seems like he kind of restocks too. So if you're looking for like the hood and even the fenders, I'm pretty sure he has the grill, door skins, tailgate, floors. I mean, there's not a whole lot he doesn't have. I mean, maybe not the panels for the bed, but he's got quite a bit of stuff you could be looking for. So this took about like 3 months to get to me, or actually about 4 months, because I ordered it February 4th, and this is June the 1st. So it was quite a while I paid for the 3-month shipping. I wasn't too worried though. I mean, I was gonna give it like 6 months until I filed a claim with the postal service. But this is RN25 hood, so this is actually RN22. Yeah, RN22. So this has a little bit different front end, and with that front end change, the core support's different, and the latch doesn't actually latch. So I'm gonna have to modify it to make the latch work. And a couple other little things. I mean, also right now you can tell it doesn't fit up all that well. It did get a little bit damaged, pretty sure in shipping, because I saw many pictures of this hood before, and it didn't appear to have this dent up here. And then there's just a couple little dents, and maybe they were there before, but I'm not too worried about those, and those could easily come out. So a couple problems is got held up right here because of core support and these little guys, but can't actually latch it right now. I have to latch out. The bumper is going to be the same way that I'm getting. I'm going to have to modify it to make it work. This one's not straight, so I don't care for it. But just little things. Corners are a little bit messed up. Didn't realize that the JDM ones, whatever. I mean, I got no, it's not JDM, but JDM would be the single squirter. I thought this didn't have any holes for a squirter. I'm probably going to fill that up though once I work on this guy. Might smash that dent out, get my buddy to help me. I mean, that's nothing too bad. But all in all, I'm really happy with this hood. Would definitely recommend the seller. A great dude to work with. Really easy to deal with too. Even though he's in Thailand, you should have no problem communicating with him. One of the biggest language barrier was me calling this a hood, and he knows it as a bonnet. So I mean, that's just a little idea of the language barrier you might deal with. It's not that bad. I mean, just kind of different terminology and all that. So just a little update on the Hilux. If anyone's looking for parts, hit up that dude. I'll leave a link for one of his recent posts, or maybe even his Facebook page too, so you can check him out and maybe order some parts for yourself.